to be able to broadcast to several people at the same time, you have to create a broadcast group. Okay, you have to create a broadcast group. So how do you do that? There are two ways to create a broadcast group. One, you click on the three dot on your top right hand corner, then you will see new broadcast. So you click on the new broadcast. Okay, so every broadcast can have 256 people in it. So for example, you select all the people. Okay, so let's say I want to select what do we call it? I just want to just do some demonstration for you. Good. So let's say I want to add this one, and then let's say I want to, for now you must have at least two numbers, but you must have at least two numbers in it. So um let me add two people and just create one to demonstrate for you to see. So I've added two people, and then I've created a broadcast. So you can name that broadcast, give it a name. So one name should I give to this one? Let me just, you click on broadcast list info, you click on you can title it. Okay, so edit recipients, change broadcast list name. Good. So good. So this is it. Trial. So trial, I'm just doing a trial. So you name it. Have you seen it? Now after you name it, you have to tap on the add recipient, and select all the people you want to broadcast to them at the same time. So you look for all the people that you want to broadcast to them. So let's say if I want to add this one, I want to add this, I want to add this. So I've added them, so I'll mark. So you look for all the people that you want to broadcast to them. So after that, you now open the list, the broadcast list. If you don't know how to open it, you can even come and search. When you come and search the name, so if I click on trial, which is the name I gave to it, it will just open, and then whatever you write there, it will send to all the people in that particular group. Do you get it? Yes. So whatever you put into that particular broadcast list, it will go to all the people in that list at the same time. That is the first way of creating a broadcast list. This is the second way. The second way is any number that once it's a business contact, you can label all the contacts. So for example, anyone that send you a message, you can label them. So how do you label them? So I want to use a number to label for you to see. So I want to label. So this is a number that someone has sent me. So after you label them, so you click and then hold it, then this symbol will come, this one. So you click on it, that is the label symbol. So when you click on this one, it will come. So it will ask you to label the chat. So I'm labeling that chat as Facebook or Instagram. So what I mean is that people who chat me about Facebook or Instagram are the people I'm labeling. So I've labeled that one. So you just have to hold the chat, and then you use the color that you want and label it. So after you label them like the way you want, so all those that are sending you messages about the advert. So this is another one I want to label. So let me just see something like let me just label it. So oh no, I will not label this one for now. Let me check another one again. Okay, so I want to label this one too. So you click on the label, and then you tap on this one, then you label it. Okay, so when you go to the three dot and go to your labels, you will see the label, the one that you labeled, and you can change the color. I just chose blue color. You can use anything. So all those that I labeled in this particular blue color, all those are labeled. They are all the contacts are there. So if I want to send a message to them at the same time, I'll just click on the three dot and then go to message customers. So I will mark it. Now the reason why they are telling me 7 of 256 is that when you're going to send a message to people and they haven't saved your number, they will not receive the message. So if you send a broadcast message to people and that particular person does not have your number saved on his or her phone, he or she won't receive it. Do you get it? So it will go, but he or she won't receive it until the person has your number. So that is one thing about broadcast. That is why the numbers were more than this, but they selected only 7 out of the two out of the numbers that I had selected initially. So you click on this, then you tap on the message. So you see that they say you created a broadcast list with 7 recipients, then you post it. This is exactly how to create a broadcast list. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and like this video for other more powerful videos. If you have any problem doing this, please leave your comments in the comment section and we'll reach out to help you. Thank you once again and see you in the next video.